Hello YouTube. I'm doing a review of the Leatherman Style C5 carabiner, and it functions as a bottle opener right there. Opens up. Right like this. Has a few features on it. Really nice scissors. Spring loaded. Very nice. Very big. We close it back up and it has a few features on the outside. It has a very nice knife. Back in there, and then on the other side it has what I like. It's a screwdriver, smooth on this side, but on this side it's like an emery board for doing your nails, filing, smoothing out your nails. And then it also has right here a set of tweezers, functioning tweezers. Really good. I like this. And it just goes right back in there. So not many functions. Like I said, just the knife, the screwdriver, but very light and perfect for the keychains. I have a set of keychains here. Oops, that's the wrong one. Keychains, and voila, on the set of keychains. Not heavy, great function. I love it. The Leatherman C5. Thanks for watching.